pretty hardy. So we whittle it down to just the plants that can survive through the winter. And March, so we seeded it over the winter, germinated in the cold, and we've had food from that field for a while now. And then we're sort of transitioning from our winter, early spring crops to our summer crops. So this is heirloom tomatoes, and they'll grow up to the strings that are in here so that we can harvest them, and we'll prune them so that they're just growing up that string, and that way they're easy to harvest and pick.
Have you been affected by the blight that's been going around?
You're not supposed to say that word on the farm.
They're present sometimes.
Every year, yes. So the way that we're going to work against the blight is we're trying to create super hardy plants. So actually what we did is we grew one plant and then another plant, and this one plant has really strong, healthy disease resistance bred into it, and this one has delicious fruit bred into it. And we cut the top off this one, cut the bottom off this one, and grafted them together.
Really?
So if you see these plants, they have a little wound where they grew together, and so we're hoping that that makes them really healthy.
At what stage did you do that?
Very tiny. Yeah. So when they were only this thick, the stems were only that thick.
My God.